In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your American Express credit card balance. Let's make this simple and stress-free. There are a few reliable ways to see your balance right away, using the website or mobile app, reviewing your latest statement, or calling the number on the back of your card. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick the one that fits your day. Start by logging into your American Express account either on the website in a browser or through the official mobile app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and use two-factor authentication if prompted, since that helps protect your account. If you haven't signed in for a while and can't remember your credentials, use the forgot links to reset them securely. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. If you have multiple American Express products, you'll likely see them listed together. Select your credit card from the list. It might be identified by the card image or the last 4 digits. As soon as you open that card, you'll see your current balance front and center along with your recent transactions. Here's a quick tip for clarity. Current balance is what you owe right now, including any posted charges and credits. You may also see pending transactions, which are charges that haven't fully posted yet. Many dashboards also show your available credit and, in some cases, your statement balance. Statement balance reflects what you owed at the end of your last billing cycle and is typically the amount due by your payment due date. Knowing the difference can help you avoid interest and plan payments. If you prefer a more formal snapshot, go to the Statements or Documents section. Choose your latest statement to view or download it. The statement lists your statement balance, minimum due date, and a full breakdown of transactions for that billing period. This is handy if you're reconciling expenses or need a record for budgeting. If you can't access the app or website, flip your card over and call the customer service number printed there. Follow the automated prompts or speak with a representative, and you can ask for your current balance. Keep your card handy for verification questions to speed things up. And that's it. Whether you check on the app, the website, your latest statement, or by phone, you can see your American Express credit card balance instantly. For peace of mind, consider setting up account alerts so you're notified of new charges or when a statement is ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of your spending with confidence.